Hello, hi to everyone. See, my dear kids, let us move on to the bank reconciliation statement, the class 6 and the problem number 6. As usual, before starting every problem, I used to tell you, my dear kids, this is your cash book. In the cash book, we have a debit receipt, payment on the credit side. When it comes to passbook, we have a payments on the debit side, receipt on the credit side. Always again I tell you, if it is debited, take it in credit side. If it is credited, take it in debit side. That is opposite. If it is not debited, take it in debit side. If it is not credited, take it in credit side. Later on, if it is over cost, opposite side. If it is under cost, same side. Checks dishonored. Dishonored bole to payment. What? Payment. Remember, dishonor means payment. Fine, let us move on to this particular problem. From the following particulars, prepare a bank reconciliation statement on 31st March 2021. See, I already prepared the format BRS as on 31st March 2021. See the first one, A point, bank balance as per passbook. See, my dear kids, what he is telling, there is a bank balance. Bank balance means receipt in which book? Passbook. Receipt in passbook, passbook receipt, it comes what side? It comes credit side. So we have to write in our answer sheet bank balance, A point, bank balance as per which book? Passbook. Balance means receipt. Receipt in passbook means credit side. So where I am supposed to take? In the same side, in the same credit side with an amount of rupees 25 lakhs. A big amount. Try to be careful in putting zeros, 25 lakhs. Fine. Then next, bills discounted, dishonored, not recorded in the cash book. What is telling? Bills discounted, dishonored. Dishonored means what? Payment. Not recorded in cash book means what? No payment in cash book. See, no payment in cash book, no credit in cash book. We have to take it in credit side. So we have to write B point. Bills dishonored, not recorded in cash book. See here, when it is dishonored means payment, not recorded in cash book means no payment in cash book, no credit in cash book. So obviously we have to take it in credit side with an amount of rupees, that is how much? With an amount of rupees 12 lakh 50,000. Let us move on to the next point. See what is there. Checks received means receipt. Entered twice in the cash book means what? Over receipt in cash book. Over receipt means over debit. So we have to take it in credit side. That is point number C. Checks received, entered twice in cash book. See what actually the word received is? Receipt. Entered twice in cash book. Entered twice in cash book means over receipt in cash book. And it is over receipt, over debit, it is to be taken in opposite side, that is to be mentioned on the credit side with an amount of rupees, how much? 25,000. Next, bank charges enter twice in cash book. Bank charges means payment. Twice in cash book means over payment in cash book, means over credit in cash book, it is to be taken in debit side. That is bank charges entered twice in cash book. Now my dear kids, bank charges means payment, enter twice in cash book means overpayment in cash book, means over credit in cash book. So we have to take it in debit side with an amount of rupees 5,000. Fine. Let us move on to the next point after this. Insurance premium paid directly by the bank under the standing instruction. See, insurance premium means payment. Paid by the bank means what? Payment in passbook. See, my dear kids, when it is payment in the passbook, when it is debited in the passbook, we have to take it in receipt side. That is, we have to take it in credit side, because here insurance premium paid directly by the bank entered only in the passbook but not in the cash book. When it is debited in the passbook, we have to take it in credit side, that is on the opposite side. That is a point number E. That is insurance premium paid directly by the bank. Insurance premium paid means payment directly by the bank means payment in passbook. There is a no, we should not say no payment in cash book. No need to go for such angle. It is a payment in passbook. It is debited in passbook. We have to take it in credit side. It is of rupees. How much? That is 1.5 lakh. See how much it is? 1.5 lakh. Checks issued but not presented for bank. Issued means what? Payment. Not presented to bank means what? No payment in passbook. Means no debit in passbook. So it is to be debited. So what is the point number? F. Checks issued not presented to bank for what? Payment. See, my dear kids, here issued means payment, not presented to bank means no payment in passbook, no debit in passbook. So what we have to do? We have to take it in debit side only, that is of rupees 12,50,000, a very big amount. Try to be so careful in mentioning the number. It is a 12,50,000. Let us move on to the next point of your question paper. Checks received means receipt. Checks received means what? Receipt. But not sent to bank. What do you mean by not sent to bank? We can say that what? No receipt. Where? No receipt. In which book? In passbook. So let us write, what is the point number? What is the point number here? G. Checks received not sent to bank. Received means what? Receipt. Not sent to bank means what? No receipt in passbook. Means no credit in passbook. So we have to take it in credit side with an amount of rupees. How much? Amount is 28 lakhs. Very big amounts are given in this particular problem. See the next one. Checks deposited. Deposited means receipt to bank, but no entry passed in cash book. Means what? No receipt in cash book. No receipt in cash book. No receipt in cash book means what? No debit in cash book. So we have to take it in debit side. Checks deposited into bank. What is the point number? H. Checks deposited into bank but not recorded in which book? Cash book. Deposited means what, my dear kids? It is receipt. Not recorded in cash book means what? No receipt. What? No receipt in cash book. So where I am supposed to take? We have to take it in debit side of cash book, which is an amount of rupees, again 12,50,000. See once how much amount is mentioned? Again it is mentioned 12,50,000. Then next, credit side of the bank column cast short. What side? Credit side. What happened? Short. Short means what? Take it in which side? Same side. So now we can write point number I. Credit side of cash book, cash short. What side? Credit side. What happened? Short. Short means what? Same side we have to take. Same side means credit side only with an amount of rupees. How much? That is an amount of rupees 5,000. Shall we move on to the next point of the problem? See, the next point is a very important point, my dear kids. Please try to understand this concept. That is a bill for what? A bill for 8,000 discounted for 7,960. Returned dishonored. अब क्या हुआ? Dishonor हुआ. Dishonor means payment. When there is a dishonor, what we have to take? We should not take 7,960. We have to take the gross amount. But noting charges is there. Noting charges is 15. Now what we have to take? We have to take gross plus noting charges. Gross is 8,000 plus noting charges is 15. We have to take the full amount of 8,015. What is their payment? Oh, dishonor कौन करते हैं? Only banker. The checks will get dishonored only in the passbook. Means payment in which book? Passbook. Payment in passbook means we have a passbook. Debit side payment, credit side receipt. So now the payment is in passbook. It is debited in passbook. So where we have to take? We have to take it in credit side. See the last point, that is J point. It is bills dishonor or check dishonor? See once, bills dishonored. Means payment in passbook. What we have to take? We have to take the gross plus noting charges. Gross is 8,000. Noting charges is 15. Payment in passbook means debit in passbook. So we have to record it in credit side of the BRS. Now you work out the total. Take the calcium, work out the debit of total. It comes to 25 lakh 5,000. Work out the total of credit. It comes to 67 lakh 38,000. 67 38 015. It means 67 lakh 38,015. So what side is less? Debit side is less. So we have to write 42 lakh 33,000 015. That is debit balance as per which book? See, you started with which book? Passbook. End with which book? Cash book. See, this is how we have to do the solution. That completes the problem. Please like the video, share it, to a maximum of your friends. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.